Okay, welcome back. So now I want to continue from where we stopped in our last tutorial, and here we are going to be creating the homepage. But before then, I noticed that it's like this view property button text is not visible, so I will click on it and change the color to black. Remember, the goal is for people to be able to see what you wrote. It's not just to create a beautiful site, but to make it visible. You could do what you want to, but that's what I will just do for now. Now this is the next page, that is the about. This real estate website can apply to different websites. It could be your landing page, it could be your business portfolio, just something related to you. So about this, so I'm going to change this photo first, like we did before. I would have said, in fact, pause this video now and change this photo based on what we did in our last class. Just try. Now that I've clicked the image, pause the video and try to change the picture. So I'll count 1 to 5. Count 1 to 5 and I'll continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Beautiful. So have you tried it out? Were you able to change the image? If you did it, then congratulations, you've learned. But at this point, I'm going to just, all you need to do if you do not know what you do is click the image and you will see a replace button. Now with the replace button, you are able to replace the image with either a file you upload or a photo from this thing from Canva. So these are all the images available. I could use this, but remember, this is a pro plan. You can see if I use a pro item to have this Canva watermark, which I do not want. That's why you must ensure you use, either you go and download an image online and upload it, or you just have to use what is available. So let me see, what home can we use this time? I think I like this home. I could be a very picky person, so I'll just be patient with me. So let's see what home is really nice. Esther, don't be picky, please. So let's move on. With let's just take this for the sake of time. Let's take this. So this is the about home page. I'll click on this image, and for the sake of aesthetics, to make the design nice, I clicked on the image and I scrolled to where we have corner radius. So corner just gives me this effect I like. I just love using corners on my item, but it's not really important. Like I said, make this design your own. You could download your own images. You could make it, even make probably not a real estate website, probably a school website, your business website, a website to showcase your business. It's all up to you, but here we are just going to be using a real estate as a guide. You can make this your business and all. So let's come here and I'll say about. I'll say about Ignite Homes, right? Ignite. About Ignite. Homes. About Ignite Homes. What is it about? And whatever the Ignite Home is about, whatever your business is about, or you write it there. I'm not going to be editing this part because I want to save time. This video, I want to try my best to cut it, make it not too long and bulky, but just give you the important aspects so that you can get in to do your own thing, to work, to practice, to build muscles in design and all. So this is it. So when you do this, you're going to come to the get in touch button. Also change the color to match what we had before on that front page. So now we have our home page and our button. We have the home page and our about page created. Now the next page is, you could actually change things here. You could add more things. I'll show you how to add them in our very soon, but just for now, keep this in mind. This is the home page. This is what we have here. Now here, I'm going to come here and you see strategies and services. You could change it to whatsoever you want. Let's say homes available for sale. Homes available for sale. Homes available for sale. So we could have this. You could change this text, these images to fit the image you want. So let's just move in I think this one. I'll be like residential listing. Let's just put home available for sale. Luxury. Let's just say luxury room for sale. So just whatever you want. Luxury room for sale. Another one could be okay, you can see the it's not bold, so you just click on the text, scroll to where you see format. Please take note, format, and you can bolden the text you want to bolden. So that's it. You could also change the text of the second item, but I'm just going to leave it like this. I'll replace this also. So everything I'm doing on my phone, you can also use a system. So for this one, I'm focusing on the mobile edit. So we've been able to list 2 products: the home screen, the about part of the page, the home sales page and all, and everything about this. So get the best property investment. So I'm just going to change this text. You could change your text to whatsoever. Now this is the point where I want to show you how to add another text. Probably you want to add more text to this. So I will come here, and where you see T, you click on it. That's text. I'll come and add this heading text. So this heading text will be a bit big, but there are 2 ways to reduce it. I can either click on it like this, click on it and pinch it, or I click on it and come to where I have font size, and I reduce the font size. This will reduce the size of that text. Then I'll bring it here and just type in what I want. So more than your imagination. What do you imagine? What can you imagine? So let's click on it, and this is it. I think we need to reduce this a bit. I don't want it to be too big. What do you imagine? Just ensure you are aligning, since you don't want to build a scattered website. So ensure it's properly aligned. Those are beautiful basic design strategies. Whether you're using this tool or even when you're using a code base, you have to ensure that whatever you're building is beautiful, is attractive. You have to ensure you're organized in your design. So this is it. I can also come here and change the text. Now another thing I want to do is I want to change the color. Where we have blue, I want to change it to orange. So I'm just going to click. If you can't click, you can zoom in on your page well, so that you'll be able to have access to that image. So I clicked on the item I want, and I long pressed it. So when I long pressed it, it was able to highlight that text. So I'll change the text color to the same orange we have on other pages. Oh, if you make a mistake, you can just click the back arrow key to go back. So right click and orange. Beautiful. Same thing with the investment aspect. Now if it's something else, maybe a business website, maybe your business would actually, so I'm going to change all this to blue. So what do we have here? We have an orange related website. So let's replace it. You can also replace that image, change the image, make it your own, put your own things, make it your own. If it's a business, if you are probably bidding for a housekeeping website, things like that. So you just make it your own website. Don't just leave what is there, so that you are unique to yourself. So I'm just going to change it. So I think this is quite okay.